Hello, my name is Jose Armando Castillo Ochoa. The following will be presented. Sustainable Development. Teacher Carlos Loyola. Student Jose Armando Castillo Ochoa. School Instituto Tecnológico de Saltillo. The textile industry. The textile industry has been characterized as one of the most polluting activities due to the waste it generates and the high consumption of water, energy, and chemical reagents. The documents in this section study measures taken and proposed strategies to reduce the environmental impact of this activity. This is image of textile industry contaminations. Studies of prevention of pollution in the textile with process industry. The objective of this study was to investigate the opportunities for pollution prevention in the textile process industry. This industry uses huge amounts of water, energy, and chemicals. The pollution prevention audits were conducted for textile companies, which were located in the state of Virginia, Estados Unidos. Information on operations, water consumption, energy, and chemicals was obtained through interviews with the staff. Information was obtained on wastewater characteristics, permit applications, water treatment, and disposal record through plain records. These wastewater samples from several operations where analysis determined optimizations of pollution levels of wastewater from textile process. Recently, it's been considered in a rational and methodology why the use of and recycling of water for textile production process for the following reasons. Prevention in the face of the future shortage of water. Huge environment pressures in the legal and legislative field. Increase in the cost of water. Existence of more efficient textile purification treatments which ensure of a better water quality for use and recycling. Methodology. Introducing new products in the market is essential for the success of companies. However, the design stage is the most costly in the product life cycle. Thus, this is of techniques focused in the design stage to decrease development cost. We present a proposal to develop textile and ceramic designs in a collaborative environment. New methods used by quarry and they will be based on the concept of concurrent engineering. The textile industry contributes to the protection and improvement of the environment when prevents the contamination of the soil and owner of land and facilities, make investments to prevent pollution, inform and shape public opinion to the dissemination of these environmental policies. Induce suppliers to supply products that are less harmful for the environment. Improve the qualification of the human resource and in environmental management and provide the staff with technical personnel in the field. What can be achieved by implementing good environmental practices such and thus described? Reduce the consumption of water and energy resources of the kinds, reduce the volume of waste generation and facilitate its recycling, minimize atmospheric, acoustic, and discharge pollution, inform and train clients, workers, and suppliers, which contributes to integrate measures in favor of the environment. Increase the company ability to compete, relations planning, improving the company social image before public opinion and before customers, workers, and suppliers. Thank you very much.